Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to our assembly this morning. It is really good to see you all this week in the playground, getting out and about and actually enjoying being able to play with all of the new equipment that we've put into your toy boxes. If you are short of equipment, can you please let your teacher know, and we'll get some more equipment into the boxes for you for playing at lunchtime. Please remember that your boxes only come out at lunchtime and not to be bringing them out at playtime. You don't really have enough time to get any of the games going, and it causes lots of upsets when we have to stop short. So please make sure you only take them out at lunch. Now, I've got something else to tell you about lunchtime as well. We have changed the order slightly of how we're doing dinners, and it's really just to try and keep you as safe as possible. So as you know, last year we were doing it in very set groups and we were keeping you all together only with your own class. Just now, what's happening is primary 1 to 3 and our ASN classes are coming down about 20 past 12, sorry, and you're coming into the dinner school. The ladies have disinfected all the tables. You sit down at the table that you're asked to sit at, but what you can't do is get up and move and take your tray to somewhere else. You have to stay at the same place. And then when you all go out, primary 4 to 7 will be at the doors. The ladies will clear all the tables, disinfect all the tables where everybody's eating, and then each class will be asked in to come and sit at a table that's been cleared and disinfected for you. So it's taken a wee bit longer to get you in, but it's a way to keep you all safe and everybody still gets their lunch together. Okay, so you just need to try and work with us and we'll get better at it as time goes on. Now, our sign for the week this week is fly. And we've got a little video clip for you to have a look at and to try and practice.
Hello. Hi. 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 Hello. Today's sign is why. Really good. Why? Fantastic. Yes, today's sign is why. Fantastic sign, Lucinda. Bye. See you soon.
Good morning, everyone. Our language of the month for January is Scots language, and we've been hearing lots and lots of Scots phrases round and about the school. For instance, sit on your bahookie. So if you've not heard that one, maybe you could talk about that one in your class. I've definitely heard that in some of the classes. And we're going to hear from Room 9 about some of the things they've been learning about Scots language this month. So over to Room 9.
Hello, we have made these Red Red Rose pictures because we have been learning about the poem Red Red Rose by Robert Burns. Robert Burns made a poem called My Love Is Like a Red Red Rose. We also learned a poem called A Dug, which you're about to see right now. A Dug by Bill Keys. Hey Daddy, what you get as a dog? A big brown Alsatian or a wee white pug? Or a skinny wee terrier or a big fat bull? Oh Daddy, get us a dog, will ya? And whose dog will it be when it dirties the floor and pees on the carpet and messes the stair? It's me and your mammy will be tame for a month. Away and play, you're no needing a dog. But Daddy, they gain them away at the RSPCA. You'll get one for nothing, so you won't. Oh Daddy, get us a dog, will ya? Didn't the RSPCA? Do you think I've got nothing else today? But get you a dog that I'll have to mind. You're not needing a dog, you're only blind. But Daddy, they're rare for guarding the house.
And they're better for catching a mouse.
And wee Danny's dog gives us better a pull. Oh hey Daddy, get us a dog, will ya? Do you hear moan about dogs again? I think that Ian's got dogs in the brain. I know what he'll get a skink If I hear more about the bloody dog. Daddy, it wouldn't be dear to keep. I'd make it a basket for it to sleep and take it for runs away over the house. Oh, Daddy, get a little dog, will you? I don't think there's anyone like you. You could wheedle the twist of a flaming corkscrew.
No, that down my neck. I know wanted a hug.
Alright, that's enough. I'll get you a dog. Oh, Daddy, a dog, a dog.
Okay, our articles of the month are all about participation and finding out what your views are. Now, we have been doing a little bit of this with our pupil council and rights respecting school group. So if we have a look at the next slide, it tells us that we have been asking everyone in the pupil council all about our relationships in St John's. So we have been collating all the ideas and we have been putting them on sheets that look like this. So we've been asking some important questions. For instance, are there any things that make you feel unsafe in school? And then we have been writing them all down, all of the ideas that the boys and girls have told us about. And what we're going to do with all of these is we're going to put them up in the school with some photographs so that you can see all of the things that are happening about our relationships. And then all of the duty bearers, the adults, are going to try and work out how we can make things better. And we're going to again ask for your opinions about Article 12 and 13 so that you can express your views and you can have a say in about how we can improve in St John's. So here's another one. How well does our school deal with situations involving inappropriate behaviour? And for this one, I'm just going to read out some of the ideas that the Pupil Council had. They said, there are consequences if you do something wrong, but these are always fair. Okay, so that was one of the ideas. Another one was, we have red choice and green choice charts to remind us how to behave. Another one, there are always staff outside to help you. Okay, and the final one there that I'm going to read out, problems are sorted out straight away so no one goes home worrying about it. That's some of the things that we do in our school. So there are lots and lots of different questions that we ask the Pupil Council and the RRS committee, and these will be up for you all to have a little look at, and then we'll see how we can move forward from this. So well done to all of the views that were collected for that. Okay everyone, now it's your turn to get involved. We have a happy song this morning, so you can all join in and do the actions and sing along.
Right, boys and girls, let's join in with our happy song.
Together is the best. We all love to sing a happy song.
a bit of an update with the lunch haul. You might have had a wee surprise if you were at school lunch the other day and you went over to tidy up your tray because it looked a bit different. So this is just to show you what it looks like so that you know where everything goes when you're tidying up in the lunch haul. Obviously you have to tidy up all your own things and make sure that you do it and you don't leave it for someone else. And when you come over, the part that says beakers, I wonder if anyone knows what beakers are. Mr. O'Donnelly?
A beaker is like a cup or a soup cup
It is indeed.
or a character from the Muppets.
Well done. So if you have had a soup or you've had little blue cups, that's where they go. They go straight into the bin or the tub there that says beakers. The part in the middle here with the bit of white paper over it, that says plates and dishes. Okay, so you've had your lunch on a plate or you've got a wee bowl of something, that's where they all go. Okay, your cutlery, you've got all your knives, your forks, your spoons, they all get put into the cutlery part. And once you have tidied everything away, you put your tray down at the side and it should keep everything neat and tidy. Okay, yes, Mr. O'Donnelly?
I'm wondering, what do we do with the food we have not eaten? We should eat it all, but if we've got a wee bit left, what do we do with it?
Okay, good question. At the side, you can't quite see it where I have taken the photograph, we still have the usual bins. So the bins that have the red bin liner in it, the red bins, they are for your food waste. So if there's things that you have not eaten, or banana skins, or kiwi skins, that kind of thing, they all get put into the red bins. All your other bits and pieces of rubbish, if you have crisp bags, wrappers, all of that kind of thing, they get put into the black bins. Okay, so you've got to organise all of that into the right bins, then put all of your things away like this. Okay, so we're going to try this and see how well we do, and over the next little while the RRS committee are going to be making a new lunch charter, and they're going to come up with lots of ideas about how we can improve our lunch haul and make sure everyone has the right to have a nice healthy lunch in a nice atmosphere. So see if you can manage this to get things all in the right places. I have been really impressed recently because you have been really good in the lunch haul tidying up, so well done, and hopefully you will get to know what you're doing with this very soon.
Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to the Friday Assembly. As Mrs Hope said at the beginning, but this is the first time you've seen me, so good morning. Nice to see you. We're going to talk about resilience. Now, I had a great conversation yesterday, and it was Wednesday actually, a great conversation with Harvey Hutchison. Harvey, give us a wave. Harvey, he was fantastic at describing to me and explaining to me about resilience. And Harvey, if you could tell people in room 5 what resilience means, that'd be really good. But for the rest of you, I'll tell you what Harvey said. Harvey said resilience is when things go wrong, that you don't let it get you down for too long. You just get back up and you get on with things as positive as you can. So even if things go wrong, because things go wrong all the time, boys and girls, they go wrong for all of us. But it's not to let it keep us down. It's so we can think, you know, that's happened. I need to get on with things now. So let's try that, and let's look at these two characters now. They might have changed their names when you go into the video, but I think that one is called Ethel, and that one is called Spiky Ears. So Ethel and Spiky Ears are in a video, and they're going to tell you all about resilience. So enjoy.
Gotta get to school! I never should have stopped and picked all those blueberries. Whoa! Hunter, what's going on? Look at that flooded creek. I'm done for. This is a big problem. I give up.
Wait a minute. Let's talk this through and make sure we understand the problem. Maybe we can come up with a solution.
Well, the problem is that because of all the rain, I can't safely cross the flooded creek and get to school.
Okay, now that we understand the problem, let's see if we can come up with some solutions for getting to school safely.
Let me think. How could I solve this problem and find a way to get to school safely? I got it! Would you fly me over the creek, Eve?
Hunter, I'd love to, but owls can't fly very well in the rain. I'll have to stay under this tree until it stops.
Oh well, I'm stuck. No use trying.
Problems can be tricky, but you're smart. I know that together we can find a way across that creek.
Okay, let me think some more. Well, that won't work. Maybe. Whoa! What if I fall in? My mom said never to swim in rushing water. Yikes! I don't know what to do, Eve. I give up.
Hunter, don't give up. Keep trying.
Well, there is a brand new bridge up the creek. It's a longer walk to school than usual, but the beavers built it high and sturdy, so I'm sure it's safe and not flooded.
Great job, Hunter. I think you've come up with a good and safe solution.
Thanks, Eve. You're right. I'll head that way.
Great! Since I can't fly very well in this rain, I'll walk with you. Boy, what a bridge! This is a safe way to cross the flooded creek.
Yep, and to think I was ready to give up finding a way to get to school safely. But Eve, you reminded me to make sure I understand my problem. Then to think about different ways I could solve the problem. And finally, to not give up if something doesn't work. Just keep trying.
Yep, you stayed flexible, and I'm very proud of you. Have a great day at school. Learn lots.
Thanks, Eve. I already have.
Boys and girls, we are moving on to our awards. Now last week we asked you to really pay close attention to one of our values, and that was the value of being reliable. Now, reliable, if you remember, is actually doing what you're promised to do, or do what people expect you to do. That's being reliable. And there was a clear winner last year. Last week. There was a clear winner last week. And the winner last week was Aaron. So well done
Well
to
done,
Aaron.
Aaron.
Give Aaron a round of applause, please. Well done, Aaron. Next week, our focus is going to be being enthusiastic. Enthusiastic. I see so much enthusiasm all over this school. Every single person, we see all the children in the lunch hall, in the playground, at their work being enthusiastic. We see the teachers coming in on the Monday morning in the front door enthusiastic, and we see everyone else going out the door at 3 o'clock being enthusiastic for what lies ahead at the weekend. So we want you to be enthusiastic. That just means that no matter what you're going to be doing, no matter what's being asked of you, that you see the positive side of it and you put your heart into it and you do your very best. So be enthusiastic, guys, and we'll see who wins next week. Okay, we're moved on to awards. We have a reading champion in room 13. So this is for reading Goldilocks and the Three Bears to Miss Primrose. So well done to Logan Fox. Well done, Logan. We have another reading award, and this goes to Lucy Coyle in room 14. Well done, Lucy. You've been reading with fantastic expression. Very important. I've noticed you reading with expression, Lucy. I've also noticed you giving funny looks with expression. When I saw you filming the assembly and I was trying to look in and you were giving me that expression, go away, Mr. Adolman, you're not finished. So expression is very important. Well done, Lucy.
Well done, Lucy.
Well done. Now, on to our awards. The Effective Contributor Award for room 14 goes to Annalise. Annalise, that's for sharing lots of ideas in your class discussions and activities. Room 14 as well, Mark Lowe, you're a responsible citizen. You're always acting appropriately at all times in all parts of the school, so well done to you. Ava Glancy in Miss Pinkerton's class, you're a confident individual, and I have noticed that on many occasions. Showing great confidence and resilience, that word we looked at earlier on, resilience during outdoor learning, well done. Jamie Nayland in room 13, you're a successful learner, and so is Logan Fox. You two boys have done excellent sentences during your spelling, and you've done extremely well during your maths, so well done to Logan and to Jamie. Now Flynn in Miss Hutton's class, where are you, Flynn? Give me a wave. Excellent, Flynn, I hope you're there. Can't quite see you now. Right, Flynn, you've always been polite, kind and helpful to people in your class, so well done to you, Flynn. Miss Hutton's class also has Alec. Where's Alec? Well done, Alex. You've always been kind and helpful and polite as well, so well done to you. Miss Hutton, you've had some week, Miss Hutton. You must be so happy, all these successful learners and responsible citizens. Harris, you've done really well with your numbers and you've been adding to 10 extremely well. Well done to Harris, you have a certificate. Room 15, Sophie McBride, you're an effective contributor. You've been answering well in your class and you've been using words in context. Well done. Lila Scott, where are you, Lila Scott? Mrs. Alamano's giving you this certificate for producing excellent comprehension work on your class reader. Well done, Lila. Lois Telfer, Miss Leland's class, where are you, Lois? Excellent, I can see you. Yep, wave. Lois, you've been helping without being asked, and that's a brilliant thing. You've been enthusiastic. Think about that for next week. You've been helping without being asked to help. Just out the kindness of your heart, you've been helping other people. So well done to you. Yashia, you have a Successful Learner Award. You've been showing wonderful understanding of your division work. Well done, Yashia. Brilliant. So boys and girls, those are our award winners. Could we give them a round of applause, please?
Well done.
Mrs. Hope's applauding outside the door there, I just noticed. Well done. Well deserved, everyone. Right, last but not least, if you are a gold award winner, if you have a gold sticker, or your teacher said that you're on gold just now, could you stand up, please? Look around your class, look with pride, look with enthusiasm, and could everyone give them a round of applause, please? Well done.
Okay, we have 3 people up on our screen just now that we are very proud of. We have Brandon and Giada first of all, and they have been out litter picking and tidying up in the community, and they were telling me all about this the other day, so very well done, that was amazing. You will be going up on our achieving tree. We also have Georgia here, and she seems to be very talented in drawing, and you will see that she has a little notepad there, and she has what looks like a little dancer, and she has been trying to do lots of really good sketches, and I was very impressed with her the other day. So she's been doing this at home as well, and we are very proud. So well done to Brandon, Giada and Georgia. Keep it up. Now we have some joyful jokes from Primary 7, and we have some of them that are a little bit of a Scottish theme.
Why was the Australian man annoyed he might be late for his flight?
I don't know.
Because he had a delayed flight.
Well done.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Disease.
Disease who?
Did these sweet trousers fit you?
Well done.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Susan.
Susan who?
Susan's of these wee beasties. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Mary.
Mary who?
Mary these wee beasties.
Fantastic. Well done, Primary 7.
Now, boys and girls, if it's been your birthday this week, if you can stand up in class and if everybody can give you a round of applause, we hope you've had a lovely birthday and really enjoy yourselves. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you all safely on Monday.